guys, and welcome to our channel. Today on a rainy day I would like to unpack my new first time purchase at Hermes. I'm starting to build a relationship so I can get my Kelly, but here's my this is 7 series watch, Apple Watch, with a blue colored bracelet, which is what is it, cat skin? You'll see. So, ta-da! I'm excited. The packaging is amazing. I actually purchased nail polish color to match my unboxing video. Little side note, this is the nail polish and the lipstick I really like. Okay, so this is empty. I'm gonna move it aside. And this is the watch, and this is the bracelet. The packaging is actually really, really nice. Paperwork, I feel like I want to keep the packaging. The skin is really, really soft. Oh, nice. So it has this color on the side. I'm gonna move it right here. I don't know where I can use it for, but it's almost like I feel bad to throw it away. It feels really soft. It's made out of silicone. It has really nice Hermes sign. It feels quality. Although it's silicone, it feels like I would enjoy it wearing on my workout and easy to wash. So looks good. Matches my nails again. Okay. And the next is the watch. So just so you know, it's Series 7 Apple Watch. Opening it up, slide it out. Gotta get some practice in. So it's gonna go like this on the side. Nice. It slides very softly. Okay, you can see my favorite color is blue. I'm gonna use put my Patek on the side. And in the United States, start pairing. And I'll probably need my phone. And finally, what's underneath the box is some paperwork that I never read, and a charger that has no plug, which Apple assumes we all have since we all buy only Apple, the whole world. That's the assumption. Anyway, it's very well packed. That's it. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.